friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a healthy smoothie recipe with you, and believe me, it's gonna be good as a breakfast, and it can be used as a breakfast on the go. So let's look at the ingredients we need for this recipe. You need half a cup of yogurt, you need 4 ice cubes, you need a couple of berries. I took a mixture of raspberries, strawberries and blueberries, and you can use fresh ones or you can use frozen ones, whatever works for you. Spinach leaves, and I'm taking about 3 oranges or 3 to 4 oranges you can take. If you don't want to use the fresh oranges, you can use 100% orange juice. And I'm taking 1 apple, 1 avocado, and a couple sticks of celery. And just to let you know, the celery is a very good ingredient, and the spinach, in order to lose weight. So it also helps with that, and I would say please try and see how it works for you. So I'm taking a little bit of water here, because if you feel like it's thick, then you can add more water in it in order to make it a little bit liquidy. But if you don't mind yogurt, you can take 1 cup of yogurt as well. So now we are going to pour the ingredients. So I'm taking half cup of yogurt first. You can use coconut milk if you want to, and that's another substitute. I would say you can add the roots, for example, carrots and beets. But the only thing is, if you're looking forward to lose weight or keep control on your weight, then don't use the roots, because they're rich in sugar and they will not help you lose weight, but obviously they will give you a good flavor. So I'm going to add all the ingredients in the blender, and then we are going to blend them, and we'll add the water based on our needs. And a couple chunks of celery. And this recipe is good for about 2 to 3 people. So I'm just adding a little bit at the beginning, so it can blend easily and smoothly. Now I'm going to add leftover celery. I'm adding more because it's really helped you lose weight fast. And this smoothie makes you keeps you full for a longer time. So for about 3 to 4 hours, you don't feel like you need to eat anything. I'm going to add the ice cream also at the same time. And now we are going to blend it one more time. So now our smoothie is good to go, and I'm going to pour it. If you feel like it's thick for you, you can add water, but for me it looks okay. So I'm going to use this bottle, and because I really like it on the go. So if I'm using it as a breakfast on the go, then I'm gonna just pour it in the bottle. If you feel like it's thick for you, and after some time you will see it will get thicker a little bit, then you can add a little bit of water, and then you give a good shake like this, and then you can consume it. So this is our recipe for the healthy smoothie, and it's really good. It keeps you filled for a long time, and it gives you all the nutrition you need for the day from fruits and vegetables. So please, I encourage you to try making this recipe, and if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, and I want you to share with your friends so they can enjoy the recipe as well. Till then,